So today I'm going to make a 3-ingredient dish. This is so easy, you can do it with your eyes closed. And I'm actually going to do it with a medium you have not seen me cook with before. This dish can be done totally in the oven. It can be done in a crock pot. It can be done in a Dutch oven. But today I'm going to use my Pampered Chef quick cooker, which is basically the same, only a little better in my opinion, than the Instapot. So I'm going to be doing it in that, and like I said, it's 3 ingredients. It's salsa chicken, and it's chicken and salsa, and I'm using some Pampered Chef chili lime seasoning. That's it. It doesn't get any simpler than this. My chicken, I'm using chicken thighs, skinless chicken thighs for this, but any kind of skinless or boneless is fine. I like the flavor that the chicken thighs have, and I have a lot in hand, so we're making a freezer meal here. So I'm going to show you what goes into it and how simple this is, and this will correspond pretty easily to any of the Instapots or instant cookers that you have. So there's the ingredients: chicken, salsa, Pampered Chef chili lime seasoning. Honestly, that is it. I'm just going to give you a quick tour here of the Pampered Chef quick cooker so you can look at it compared to your Instapots. It has a sear, steam, slow cook proof, white rice, brown rice, whole grains, chicken, poultry, beef, pork, fish, seafood, soup, stock, dessert, stew, chili, and beans. Yeah, dessert. You can actually do cheesecakes in this thing. Proof bread. It's I gotta admit, I'm impressed. This is the keep warm cancel. You can turn your selection with the dial here. Custom, time, and pressure. And on the top it has your vent and release button for the pressure. So let's get this set up and ready to go. Let me see, the inside has the removable pot, as you can see. Get this down here. And I'm just going to add my chicken in. I actually asked on my Facebook page if people would be upset if I showed Instapot or quick cooker recipes, and they said no. So here they are. I do like using this on days that I'm busy and I don't want to have to watch stuff real close. And this chili lime from Pampered Chef. This is like one of my favorite seasonings from them. This gives it such... The original recipe I think calls for taco seasoning, but I like this way better than taco seasoning. I think it really gives it a little fresh pop. So added that, and then a big jar of salsa. Just a little water to rinse it out. And that, my friends, is it. Now we'll set it up. So I am going to select the chicken, poultry. There you can see that is selected, and I'm going to hit start. That is it, folks. That is totally it. So it's done. When you see the timer count down to 0, you can then hit the vent button at the top here to release the steam coming out of the petcock, and then we can take it out and dish her up. You know what comes next. Doesn't that look good? So ready for the taste test. Now how you eat this is up to you. You can debone it, and it's great like in tacos, chicken tacos, or in lettuce wraps. There's a million ways to do it. I often will serve it over rice. But this is what it looks like. I didn't debone it, but it is fork tender, as you can see. And give it a shot. Oh man, oh, it's so good. Really good flavor, so moist, fall apart tender. And the nice thing about this too was that you can put them in frozen and do it from a frozen state, half an hour. It just, like I said, 3 ingredients, half an hour, press 2 buttons, dinner. It just doesn't get any better than that. So that's my chicken salsa with the Pampered Chef quick cooker. Pampered Chef just came out with a new version of the quick cooker that actually has a sous vide setting, among other things. So it's sort of like the totally amped up quick cooker. That's so new that it hasn't hit my house yet, but it's on its way. Because it's not like you can have too many kitchen gadgets, right? So anyhow, for those of you that have been talking about quick cooker Instapot recipes, I will start showing some more of those. But don't worry, because I'm still, you know, your cast iron girl at heart, and still Dutch oven cooking as soon as the weather breaks here, which I hope will be soon, and we'll get back to it. But salsa chicken, give it a shot.